Good morning, students. Today I will learn about the teeth and their different types. Why are teeth important to us? This is because teeth help us to bite and chew food properly. Say, 1 or 2 month baby cannot eat an apple or a chapati because they does not have any teeth. Teeth start to grow after a child is 6 to 7 months old. Teeth is an important part of the body. They help us to speak properly, clearly, and also give shape to the face. Now, how many teeth does a child have? Generally, a newborn child does not have any teeth. They get teeth at the age of 6 to 7 months. Teeth keep growing with the child's age, and by the age of 3 years, children have 20 teeth. The set of teeth is called temporary teeth or milk teeth, also known as primary teeth. Okay. Around the age of 6 years, milk teeth start falling and new teeth start appearing in their place. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth, or it is also called secondary teeth. You have also lost your front teeth around the age of 6 or 7 years. Yes? When you lost your teeth, did you find the word sound any different for a while? Yes or no? This is because teeth help us to speak clearly. Okay? Milk teeth are not permanent teeth. By the age of 12 years, all the milk teeth are replaced by permanent teeth. This new set has more number of teeth in comparison to the milk teeth. And by the age of 21 years, a person has around 32 teeth. Clear? So, teeth are an important part of our digestive system as they help in chewing and grinding of food. Permanent teeth are 32 in number. They are 4 types, which are incisors, canines, premolar, and molars. Incisors are our front teeth. They are 8 in number. This means 4 in each jaw. The teeth in the front are quite different from the teeth in the back. The teeth are different in their shape and size as they have different functions. Let us start about them. First one, incisors. The teeth present in the center of each jaw are called incisors. In each jaw, the teeth incisors are present in the center. There are 4 incisors on each jaw. Thus, there is a total of 8 incisors in one set of permanent teeth. The incisors are sharp but have flat edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. Canines. The teeth present on both sides of the incisors in each jaw are called canines. Canines help in tearing the food. One canine each is found on one side of the incisors, so there are 2 canines in each jaw. A total of 4 canines are there in one set of permanent teeth. Okay, they are sharp and pointed, and they help in tearing the food. premolars. The teeth at the back of our mouth behind the canines are called premolars. Premolars help us in cracking and chewing the food. There are 2 premolars next to each canine, and so there are 4 premolars in each jaw. So total how many premolars we have? Total 8. This makes a total of 8 premolars in one set of permanent teeth. They are broad and flat teeth, and so they help in cracking and chewing the food. Last one, molars. The last teeth in the jaw next to the premolars are called molars. 3 molars are present next to the premolars in each jaw, and so there are 6 molars in each jaw. This makes a total of 12 molars in one set of permanent teeth. How many? Total 12 molars in one set of permanent teeth. They are broader than premolars, and so they help in crushing and grinding food. Okay, thank you.